jam that joint. So instead of trying to lift, we're trying to go up. Up. It's like a G-stroke. It's like you imagine something on the hind leg. You're actually like jamming up into it. Does that kind of make sense? You're trying to force it closed. So that's the motion that you're going to see my hand doing. Instead of trying to open, it's going to be trying to close. Does that make sense? Have I lost anybody? Great, y'all are great. Alright, so as we were saying, okay, landmark again, right there. Okay. Okay. So, Angelia, I'm going to get you to go ahead and we're going to slouch just a little bit, please. Slouchy, slouchy, good. And now I'm going to get you to go ahead and extend nice and slow for me right there. We're going to go into side flexions towards me, good. And then we're going to slowly rotate, good. This is one of her upper vertebrae, so we don't actually have to go as far, right? All right, now, Angelia, I'm going to get you to try and resist. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, breath in. And let me pull you into, good. Go ahead and force against. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, breath in. And out. Okay, good. And go ahead and force against. For 5, a little more flexion, 4, 3, 2, 1, relax, breath in, and out. So I'm pulling here into extension, lateral flexion, lateral rotation, while trying to actually jam that facet upwards, right? I know it sounds weird. So we're gonna go ahead and recess, see how we do. Good, now I'm gonna be slouchy, good. Go ahead and extend backwards for me. That felt better. Good, let's go ahead and assess for flexion. Much more even. That beginning is still a little bit stuck though. Okay, so just to recap to make sure it makes sense. So for a right-sided flexion dysfunction, we are going boom, 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 right? But for a right-sided extension dysfunction, boom. We're gonna go into extension, lateral flex, and rotate. All right. So if both her dysfunctions, if she had 2 dysfunctions on the same side, oh, one's a flexion, one's extension, then she'd be on. Then I would be sitting on opposite sides. But because they were at the same level on opposite sides, I was able to stay on one side. Okay. So that is what's confusing for people: is what side am I sitting on, and which way am I pulling them? Okay. Any questions about that?
Yeah, I have a couple questions.
Oh yeah, this is for flexion.
So like SP, why I know this is like a thing for like facet, right? But why pt SP?
Oh, just so I think it's so you can landmark, but yeah, no, you absolutely want to be over top of the actual facet on a fucking EFT.
Okay, the second question, why say like a fully extended or fully flexion?
Yeah, so they want the low back to be in extension so that we can feel it move when they go into flexion. So that's why we have them arc their back first and then they flex forward, so that we can actually feel it at the very beginning. Because if we don't get them to arc back, then they're already partially flexed, and we might not be able to feel the movement immediately.
Okay, looks like you can see MET flexion and like opposite, like
Yeah, I forgot for it.
Like extension is like opposite full flexion, right?
Yep.
So like you're working on Anjali's like left side, a right side flexion MET. So which side you will be fully flexion?
Oh, my donut! That's okay.